Good morning, class. Before we have discussed about what is an atom, how atoms exist. Now today I'm going to explain you Dalton's symbols of elements and modern symbols of elements. Before this, we should know that what is a symbol? A symbol, a thing, a sketch or letter which shows or stands for something else. When we talk about the symbols of elements, it means that symbol of the atom of an element. Why? Because elements are made up of atoms. Now, Dalton symbols of an element. And then afterwards, the modern symbols of elements will be discussed. Dalton was the first scientist to use a symbol to represent elements in short way. When he used a symbol for an element, he meant that definite quantity of an element or one atom of that element. At the same time, Dalton symbols were difficult to draw and inconvenient. To use, Dalton symbols are only for a historical importance. They are not used at all. See, these are the symbols of some elements which are proposed by Daltons. These were difficult to draw, these were difficult to identify, and these were of only historical importance. So, these symbols were not used at all. Children, please draw these all these symbols of some elements which are proposed by Dalton in your chemistry register. Now, Benzelius, who proposed that the first letter and another letter of the name of an element which is used as a symbol. Used as a symbol. And this idea led to the modern symbols of elements. So now we will discuss modern symbols of elements. In order to write chemical reaction conveniently, each element has a separate symbol. The symbol of an element is the first letter and another letter of English name or Latin name. For example, hydrogen. It is a first letter of name. Oxygen, O. Hydrogen is H, first letter of name. Oxygen is O, first letter of name. But some elements whose names begins with the same letter, like for carbon, calcium, chlorine, copper, all begins with the same letter C. But one of the letter is first letter symbol, but other elements have two letters symbols. Like carbon is one letter, that is first letter of name. Calcium, that is first letter and a second letter, that is Ca. Chlorine, first letter and a second letter name, that is Cl, that is chlorine. Cu, first letter and a second letter name, that is copper. But please children, note down that in case of letters in case of two letters. The first letter is capital letter, second letter is small. In case of helium, He. H is capital, E is small. In case of lithium, L is capital, I is small. Neon, N is capital, E is small. In case of magnesium, M is capital, G is small. Aluminium, A is capital, L is small. Chlorine, C is capital, L is small. Now, but in chemistry, we use the English name of symbols which are easy to memorize and easy to learn and easy to write also. But many symbols, they arise from Latin words which we have to understand and we have to only remember to understand all the symbols of the elements. Like that, see this table, children. Symbols derived from English names of elements. First one is hydrogen, H, helium, He, lithium, Li, boron, B, carbon, C, nitrogen, N, oxygen, O, fluorine is F, neon is Ne, magnesium is Mg, aluminium is Al, silicon is Si, and phosphorus is P. These symbols are derived from the English names of elements, right? Then another one, symbols derived from Latin names of elements, like sodium. Sodium is Na, potassium is K, iron is Fe, copper is Cu, silver is Ag, gold is Au, mercury is Hg, lead is Pb, and tin is Sn. I want to tell you one important thing also, that in ancient time the symbols, some symbols were derived from their names and some are from colors also. Nowadays the names and the symbols of all newly discovered elements are approved by the international, that is International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, that is IUPAC. Children, I am repeating this. IUPAC means International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Children, please draw all the Dalton symbols and the symbols which are derived from English names of elements and Latin names of elements in your chemistry register. Thank you.